Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ConvertKit, full guide step by step clearly. To register with ConvertKit, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.convertkit.com and hit enter. You will be directed to the ConvertKit homepage. Look for the Start Your Free Trial button prominently displayed on the screen. Click on that button to begin the registration process. A sign-up form will appear on the next page. Fill in your name in the first field. Enter your email address in the second field. Choose a secure password that you will remember. Once all fields are filled, click on the Create Account button. After this, check your inbox for a confirmation email from ConvertKit. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. This action will redirect you back to the ConvertKit website. Now, you might be prompted to complete your account setup. Fill in any additional information requested. This may include details about your business or what you plan to use ConvertKit for. After completing the form, click on the Continue or Next button. You may be guided through an onboarding process. Follow the prompts to familiarize yourself with the platform. Once completed, you will have access to your ConvertKit dashboard. Congratulations, you are now registered with ConvertKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.